Hello guys and welcome to my another unboxing and review video. Today in this video I got this Linktop keyboard. This is a mechanical gaming keyboard. It's K23 version. You can get this keyboard on Amazon for £40, so this is not very expensive keyboard. So I guess that's it guys, let's start unboxing. Alright, the packaging looks very professional. It doesn't look cheap at all or something like that. It looks completely professional and I really like the packaging. So the first impression, it's kinda good. Alright, let's check how this keyboard looks. Alright, it looks very nice. It's very minimalistic, it's not something special. You could without any doubt use this keyboard in office and no one would notice it's like a gaming keyboard. Of course, if you keep the LED backlighting turned off, it's a little bit noisy. Since it's a mechanical keyboard, it's not a surprise or anything like that. So mechanical keyboard is supposed to be like that. Especially this one is, I believe, with a blue switches. Alright. I need instructions. So we have this tool for removing the keys. Alright, let's check what kind of switches we got in this keyboard. Yeah, like I said, it's not a surprise. The switches are blue like usual in this type of keyboards. So these are the most popular switches actually. They might be a little bit noisier than other types, but I like these the most. They give this nice clicking noise and so, alright, it's time to see how it looks like powered on. So yeah, we don't have too many options to choose from. I'm talking about LED lights, but I don't know. I wouldn't be using any other mode anyway, because mostly I use just this one, just ordinary lighting, you know. But I don't know, it looks really nice. The colors are very bright, and I think it looked better in a single color mode, because I don't know, this rainbow mode I think isn't the best, and it just gives like this kind of cheesy look, you know. But all in all, this is a really nice looking keyboard and the quality is just fantastic. You can even feel how solid this keyboard actually is. It's not like, you know, this feeling when you take some kind of electronic device in your hands and you can actually feel like the quality is kind of low, you know, and like there's a completely different story with this keyboard. You can actually feel how solid this keyboard is. So without any doubt, the quality is really high, and I'm kind of familiar with this type of switches, mechanical switches. The blue switches, they are very common. So this is not the first keyboard with this type of switches I have ever owned. I really like this type of switches, so I hope this keyboard will be just the same like others. So alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully my review and unboxing was helpful to you, and if it was, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to my YouTube channel of course if you want to. And alright, that's it guys, see you next time, goodbye.